Hi, welcome to Craft with Kathie. I'm going to do a quick little project this evening and show you how simple it is to use Chalk Couture. I'm only going to use part of a transfer that was actually from our club membership. This is an oldie, but I want to show you how quick and easy it is to complete a project in just minutes without having to do any weeding. Make it sweet, simple, and some fun. This is a found surface. It's a painted black piece, kind of looks like chalkboard, and he has a nice little ribbon at top, but perfectly sized for this little sentiment that I wanted to put on it as a nice little reminder and kind of like an uplifting message. So basically all you need to do is use one of our transfers. They're kind of like stencils, only nicer. They are made out of vinyl, which is the teal portion, and silkscreen, and you're actually seeing through the silkscreen to the paper backing. And they are adhesive backed, reusable 8 to 12 times or more with proper use. And proper use is real easy. And I'm going to use a little of our wax that I put on the surface, because this is a found surface. It's not a real chalkboard. It was actually painted. So I just put a little of our surface wax on, rubbed it in, rubbed it off, so that I protect my transfer from lifting up the paint. And I also get a nice smooth application of our chalk paste. And our paste is made from chalk. It's a proprietary blend that was redone about a year ago. And it's now our new creamy dreamy paste, which is lots of fun to work with. And then I'm taking this transfer and just applying it to my fuzzing towel. And if you don't have a fuzzing towel, you could use your shirt or a towel or a pair of jeans, whatever, anything to deliberately put a little bit of fuzz or lint on the back of the transfer. This lessens the adhesiveness so that it's not an issue in sticking to your surface. If you use our transfer on certain surfaces like glass and mirror or metal, you want to fuzz it quite a bit because they're non-porous and it will stick more strongly. And you don't want any issues when you lift up the transfer after you've applied the paste. So I'm just centering the transfer on my surface here, aligning it, smoothing it down, making sure that I don't have any air bubbles underneath the silkscreen. And now I'm going to take my chalk paste and a little squeegee, apply the paste to the transfer, and then gently go across it and smooth that paste through the silkscreen onto the surface below. You don't have to put a lot of pressure, just basically wipe across it, make sure there are no lines, and then remove any excess paste and return the excess paste back to the jar. Then lift the transfer off the surface, and you always want to lift from the left, the right, the top, or the bottom. Oops, look it, I went off the transfer and accidentally got some paste on my surface. Oh no, what should I do? Easy, easy cleanup. Watch this. Just take a little piece of dampened paper towel and basically clean off the surface with it. How easy is this? And this would work whether the paste had dried or not. Our paste takes about 5 minutes or so to dry, but once it dries, it's nice and hardened. You can remove it with a spritz of water and a paper towel or our board scraper and board eraser if you need to. I'm adding a little bling here, sprucing it up a little bit. Live the life you have imagined. Isn't that wonderful advice for all of us? How cute is this? I think this would make a great little door hanger, or even just put it on maybe the wall or at your desk. Quick, simple, easy. Obviously that little smear at the bottom has to dry if the surface is still damp from where I wiped it. But basically in less than 5 minutes. Club Couture brings creativity to your doorstep for only $19.99 a month in the U.S., plus tax. Shipping is on us. Club members get an exclusive transfer once a month, delivered straight to their door. The transfer is exclusive to designers and club members, and members also have other privileges and perks. They get a flat rate shipping on any additional purchases, just $4.95 regardless of the order size or the order weight, which is a great deal. And then during the month we have different specials. Each club transfer is 8.5 by 11 inches and comes with these three little individual packets of paste, which are more than enough to create your design more than once. If you have any information, please feel free to drop me a comment. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. And I have a little bit more information about Club in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my page. Click the little bell so that you're notified of any future postings. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks ever so much. See you soon.